Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southern Morris County in northern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, east central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clover Hill, or 10 miles southwest of Summerhill, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Summerhill, Somerset, Bridgewater, South Brunswick, Ewing, Middlesex, Princeton, Bound Brook, Manville, Flemington, High Bridge, Clinton, Pennington, Peacock and Gladstone, New Hope, Hopewell, Lebanon, Fall Hills, and Rocky Hill. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 15 and 40. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 65 and 76. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 8 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent ground-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey.